This is Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and today we would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So the first step that you need to take is to make sure that your device is connected to the internet. Next, simply launch the Google Play Store. After that, in the search bar, type in Opera just like so. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can go ahead and launch the app as well as set it up. In here you need to tap on this blue continue button, then choose whether you want for some of the features the Opera has to offer to be enabled. I'll enable ad blocking feature, enable tracker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. Finally, there is this page that allows you to customize and personalize the experience you're gonna get with Opera, as well as choose whether some of the permissions and access that it needs will be granted or not, or simply allow everything that, well, it asks you for, which I'll do myself, and after that you'll be able to start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.